You guys, I'm objective. I don't care what you do. I don't make money off it. I'm indifferent. But when you're buying from a vendor, they're making a commission to sell you something, and you're going to buy into their BS sometimes. So it's always good to talk to people that have no financial interest in what you do. Whether that means Googling strangers that have those devices and saying, what do you think? What's the pros and cons? Or asking me, please don't buy emotionally, buy logically. When they tell you a special deal, you got to buy today. It's the end of the quarter. You got to buy today to get that 20 grand the discount. They're full of shit. They're lying to you. Whatever they offer you, whatever deal they offer you, special deal today, that deal will always be there. I promise you, always.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And the other thing too, I wanted to mention that sort of a gray area. It sounded something like you didn't really get involved with, Lou, but I used to do this all the time when I was running my medical company. If you're setting up reps love coming and selling you because you're going to help, they want to make a sale. They want to sell drugs. They want to sell the equipment, right?
Sure.
So when you set up these sales calls, I highly recommend you even craft an event around it, like an intimate gathering of your favorite clients, of your favorite prospects. Get them in, see if that rep will allow you to use your friends and your clients, your prospects and your clients as models, and sample the equipment, sample something and hear the whole spiel, right? From the salesperson's mouth, you're more likely to get those people to become clients if they're listening to that salesperson sell it than if they're going to listen to you. It's incredible. And film the whole thing because it just creates incredibly eye-opening content. Ask that rep questions, do a Q&A and film it and have them treating somebody and everybody wins. It ends up being the kind of event where there's a lot of giveaways. They'll bring food. Like if they know you're going to fill the room with a reasonable amount of people, not a crazy party, with a reasonable amount of people, they'll buy everything and they'll come do that for you very happily. And it really cinches the deal. Or you're like Lou said, I mean, your audience is going to tell you, no, that sucks. There's no way I'm going to pay for that. And then you don't take it on, right?
Yep. And also you guys, like I do promotional events all the time. I used to have in person called the Skin Scene. We put 100 people in a room and we do a Botox demonstration or cold sculpting, food and wine. And we give away a bunch of prizes like Botox and fillers and whatever. And guess who gives me the samples for free? I may give away $2,000 of free Botox and fillers. I contact the company, they give it to me for free, and they'll give it to you too because they want the exposure. All you have to do is ask the question.